It's your favorite cousin again, and I've got the scoop on my Valentine's Day date. Hiya, Huns. So, I told you I was dating this local businessman who owns a chain of convenience stores who wanted to take me out for Valentine's Day. He picked me up in a limo, and he brought me roses, and he took me to Chez Manny, which is very classy. There's wine with every course, and they bring the cuts of meat to your table so you can see what you're getting. It was obvious that he's kind of a big deal because everyone kept coming by to make sure everything was just perfect. I was pretty loaded from all of the wine by dessert, but in a good way. Then he took me to the Green Note to hear some jazz, and we got a bucket of champagne there. He gave me this necklace for my birthday, and I was starting to think I'd met my dream man. However, after the Green Note, we were getting in the limo when suddenly we were surrounded by cops and they demanded that he open the trunk. I have never seen so much money in one place. It was full of cash, probably enough to retire to Brazil. Now, this is not old Glennie's first rodeo. I know that law-abiding citizens do not keep millions of dollars in their car, even if it is a limo. They arrested him, and they even took me in for questioning. Fortunately, I was so loaded, I don't remember much. He told them I was not involved and that he had just met me, which was very gallant of him. He wants to see me again, but I'm torn. He really knows how to treat a lady, but I don't want a boyfriend in prison. Been there, done that. Benny, the manager of Chez Manny, sent me home with this nice bottle of Montepulciano, so I'm giving it a spin. It's good, even though it's a little smaller than what I'm used to. I found out that Montepulciano goes great with pepperoni pizza, so that's what I'm having. You should try it. So, I got another question on Facebook from Marcus. He wants to know, Dear Cousin Glendora, if I paid for your transportation and a hotel for you and a significant other, would you consider officiating my wedding? There is a box of wine under the podium. Actually, I'm not getting married anytime soon, but I think you would be fabulous at it. But I'd still leave a box of wine under the podium. Marcus, I would be honored to officiate at your wedding whenever you decide to tie the knot. I perform weddings for free because I believe in love. I am, however, allergic to the economy cabin in airplanes, so you'll want to budget for that when the time comes. A box of wine under the podium is a nice touch. It's obvious you know how to treat people. I wanted to thank my friends out there for the fabulous birthday gifts. Chris and Donna, I love the slippers, and Linda, the bag is a dream come true. Now I can carry my box of wine everywhere and not have to deal with dirty looks from people who are jealous. So anyway, that's it. They'll be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up live broadcast, but don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.